Okay, I'd like to spend a few minutes here talking to you about your PowerPoint projects for this unit. This is your final big project, and it is worth 20% of your grade, okay? So this is the largest project, the largest component of your grade that you will have done for this class. We're already into the unit, well into the unit, and you really need to know what you're going to be doing your PowerPoint on, and you need to be understanding PowerPoint. You're going to need about 15 to 20 artfully created slides. Please don't use any of the templates in PowerPoint. They're really pretty ugly, okay? What I like to see is a fairly plain template, fairly just plain slides. Make sure every slide has a heading at the top, okay? And then use bullet points down on one side of the slide and then have an image on the other slide. Every slide should be image oriented and it should be bullet point oriented. Don't have lots and lots of huge text in your slides. Don't do that, okay? PowerPoint's a presentation tool. It's an outline tool. You kind of pretend you'd be making, verbally this presentation if you're actually showing it. So instead, you're just kind of presenting the outline is what you're doing. You're presenting the outline to the rest of the class and to me. So 15 to 20 slides, and I want you to pick one of the 6 topics that are listed in your learning module document for this unit. The topics cover mass media and social life. I asked you to look at a great YouTube video, really good, about body image and advertising. Okay, that's one topic you can write about. Second topic you can write about is the new technology, how this changes the workforce. The third topic you can write about is immigration. A fourth topic is about families around the world. Fifth topic is about distance learning. And a 6th topic is about how religion and government, or when religion and government collides, okay? And for each of these topics, I send you to some links. Please look at the links I send you to. I send you to some really good reference material. I've done some of the research for you with each of these topics. And then, of course, each of these topics are key to a specific chapter in the textbook, so make sure you look over the chapter that the topic seems key to. Make sure you understand that. Get some ideas from the chapter. Go to the links that I present you. Think about those, all right? And the point of the PowerPoint is to analyze something. This isn't meant to just be a glommed on together book report. Okay, I want you to analyze the question that I presented to you. I've tried to give you some prompts, but I want you to present kind of an analytical, here's what I've learned about this issue. I point out that the first slide of these 15 to 20 should be your, your title, make it look attractive, your name, the name of the course, that kind of thing, and then the topic of the presentation. Then the second slide should be like a table of contents. How is this PowerPoint going to unfold? Okay, which order you can present, which major points. Make sure your slides have titles at the top of each one, so you could use those titles as your table of contents. Title 1, Title 2, Title 3. Those, that could be your table of contents. Then the final slide should be your conclusion. What did you conclude from this? What is your analysis about this? All right, this is kind of like a thesis statement, okay? Thesis statement often occurs in your introduction, and then it often gets repeated or sort of reflected on in your conclusion for paper. So basically, what did you conclude? What does this presentation conclude, okay, about the question that I presented to you, that you present to the viewers? If you look in your learning module, you'll see I've updated it, by the way. I just re-uploaded it today, the learning module document for this unit. And I've got another link at the bottom about a whole collection of PowerPoint help. So I send you some quite a bit of PowerPoint help, show you what some good PowerPoints look like, some bad PowerPoints look like. So please look at those links. They're at the very end of the learning module for this unit, learning module 4, the document that covers all the questions for this PowerPoint project. If you have any questions about it, be sure to email me. I'm looking forward to these. But to summarize, please keep the slides very image-oriented. One image per slide, not bunches of images, okay? Keep them kind of consistent. Keep the slides consistent from one to the other. A title on every slide. Keep the fonts the same, the colors the same. All right. Have the title sort of unfold in an order that shows that you've organized your thinking. And then those titles can help organize your table of contents. They can be your table of contents. Begin with an attractive slide that gives your name, that kind of thing. If you want to put a picture of yourself there, that'd be cool. Whatever you want to do, make it look nice. Make sure it clearly defines the topic of this presentation, the class, your name, the date, that kind of thing. Second slide, table of contents. Final slide, what you concluded. Did everything in the middle. Your outline form of your analytical presentation. You know, to get pictures off the internet, you simply right-click on them, right, and they download, or you can copy and paste them usually by right-clicking on them. When you do this, to keep intellectual integrity, you know, above board, you must put the URL or the name of the website where that picture came from. Put that as a little tiny cut line right underneath the picture on your slide, okay? It could be like 10 point or 12 point. Either the URL where it came from, or the name of the web page, or the name of the organization, that kind of thing. So that way you're attributing the photograph to where it came from, okay? Sometimes you might use your own pictures, which is perfectly fine. All right. Okay, if you have any questions, be sure to mail me. Thank you.